This is what $2 million house buy you in Boston.
I can't help but feel good. I can't help but feel fine. Everything is in its place and everything is mine. I can't help but feel good. I can't help but feel fine. Everything is in its place and all of it is mine. Ooh, I can't help but smile. Ooh, I can't help but smile. I'm reinventing myself. I'm me and nobody else.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today, this episode, we are in Boston. We are about to tour this incredible listing located at 83 Summer Street in Hingham. So for the start of the house, we have 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, over 5,420 square feet interior living space and situated in 1 acre. So before jumping into the tour, I want to say thank you to Christine for giving me an opportunity to touring her incredible listing. Okay, on that note, let's jump into the tour.
I'm on the run, I've got no alibi for what I've done. Took what you treasure and I'm never gonna give it up. I left these empty streets and hardwood in the shadows. You think I'm low, but you don't know how low I'll go. I've been hunting for it, I've been planning for it. I'm the villain, yeah, I'm gonna take it. I've been hunting for it, I've been planning for it.
I'm here in the living room. As you can see, we have hardwood floor throughout. They put in a rug to prevent the scratching from the furniture. So come on over here. So you can see that we have cozy U couch in the corner. We have TV mounted in the room right above the fireplace. This gorgeous French window inviting so much natural light coming in. And you can see over here. So we have Freddy bronze metal table lamps. It is so sophisticated, okay? And we have 2 chandeliers over the top. Well, right, so we are heading out of the living room. So we are into the dining room. We have the dining room table that sits 8 people. So you can see we have another fireplace in the dining room, which creates a cozy environment. Recessed light on over the top. All right. So now follow me on this way. So the family room are connected to the dining room. So come over here. Oh, this is amazing environment. So I think let me turn this lights on a little bit. There we go, guys. So I love the color of this sofa because it brings out so much harmony for the family rooms. And then, as you can see, the sofa right in the middle of the living rooms, vinyl double hunch window all around the living rooms, inviting so much natural light. And we have clam table on the both sides and each armchairs on each corner. Come over here, and then you see in the wall they have a very nice art pictures decoration. The paddle and the plants is bringing so much joy and energies. Now let's look it up, guys. So we have 5 light single tier chandeliers over the top. Definitely we can miss that. All right, so I can't wait to show you the star of this property. That is the kitchen. Okay, follow me. Wow, so the kitchen's right here. So we have plenty space in the kitchens. So now Taylor, let's get over here so we can show my fan, the audience. So we have on this side, we have the generous cabinetry. We even have the white chiller. The white, and when come over here, so all stainless steel appliances. We have more pantry storage over here. And look at this. The kitchen island in the center with the bar seating chairs. And come over here, I want to show people over here. So we have even a microwave built-in. Look at this. Is that cool? Yeah. Now come over here. So we have, I love the Granite's kitchen countertop. So we have gas stove built-in and the vents right above with 6 counter cooktop with the oven down below. I am so, look at this. Oh my God, this is the French window. Feels like joyful. You know, we all have a lot of lights coming in, you know, on this side. This is like an open space kitchens right here. Okay, so now let's go up to the second level of the house. The second floor, primary suite, including main bedroom. Okay, follow me. $100,000 price improvements on this luxurious Hingham home. This home can also be used for certain types of business models. Picture yourself living in this stately updated 1803 colonial with stunning views of Hingham Harbor.
I'm on the run, I've got no alibi for what I've done. Took what you treasure and I'm never gonna give it up. I left these empty streets and hide within the shadows. You think I'm low but you don't know.
Door opened up to the primary bedroom suite coming in. So we have the hardwood floor throughout, the queen size bedroom, the fireplace, and the chandelier over the top. This is so private, guys. And you can see the window. We can have the beautiful feel of Hingham Harbor, inviting so much natural light coming in. Here is the second bedroom. Having fireplace in the bedroom is luxurious addition to any bedroom, provides some warmth and ambiance. Nothing beats the soothing ambiance or racking sound of burning wood in the fireplace. Bring the coziness in the bedroom. 2 French doors on both sides are inviting so much natural light coming in. Here is the bathroom, guys. So come over here. So we have the walk-in shower, the shower faucet features. Also, we have the floating vanity with 2 sinks. Okay, here is the top, you guys. Can you imagine? You can take a shower, relax, and enjoy the beautiful view with all these open windows with the freestanding tub filler with hand shower. All right, and oh, look at the floor, you guys. Wow, it's gorgeous. On it, glass stone plan. So let's go down, check it out, the sunroom, you guys. Sunroom with great ceiling height with an open space. It stimulates the idea of being outside. This is why the sunroom very appeal to many homeowners. So imagining when you wake up in the morning, you have a hot coffee and you get out here and you can enjoy the weather and enjoy your day. Okay, it's a spectacular ideas. I want you to leave a comment down below. What is your favorite part of this listing? If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. I hope you were watching, and on that note, I'm gonna see you on the next episode.
I'm on the run, I've got no alibi for what I've done. Took what you treasure and I'm never gonna give it up. I left these empty streets and hide within the shadows. You think I'm low but you don't know how low I'll go. I've been hunting for it, I've been planning for it. I'm the villain, yeah, I'm gonna take it. I've been hunting for it, I've been planning for it. I'm the villain, yeah. and I'm gonna take it, take it. I'm the villain.